Bharti. Welcome to the EduBulletin, the online news platform for all the latest educational updates. Let's see the highlights of the day. NCERT, Perak launches a pilot project called World of Work for classes 9 to 12, aiming to equip students with skills and AI knowledge for a seamless transition from school to jobs. The Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board revises the Class 12 Board Exam 2025 schedule due to Holi, with exams now set to take place from 27 February to 17 March. Following a sexual assault case, the Thane Education Department to conduct sessions on student safety in collaboration with NGOs. The Delhi government's Education Department to set up AI labs in schools, equipped with advanced tools for coding, machine learning, and robotics. The UPPSC PCS Pre-Exam 2024 will be held on 22 December in 2 sessions, with over 5.7 lakh candidates expected to participate. The Prime Minister interacted with young innovators at the Smart India Hackathon 2024, praising their talent and innovation. Patna University remains locked due to an indefinite strike by university employees, leading to the cancellation of semester exams scheduled from 5th December. The government's One Nation, One Subscription initiative to be launched on 1st January 2025, benefiting nearly 1.8 crore students from state-funded higher education institutions. CBSE will conduct free virtual training on artificial intelligence for students of classes 8 to 12 through the IBM Skills Build platform on 16 December 2024. CBSE releases the CTET admit cards on the official website, with exams scheduled for December 14th and 15th. A private organization of school trustees has approached the Bombay High Court, seeking closure of unauthorized schools in Thane. The demand follows an incident where a private school headmistress failed to inform the police about the molestation of a 10-year-old girl by a man at the institution. States agree to equivalence, and there will be no question paper jumbling from next year, according to Perak CEO. BMW and UNICEF partner to empower children in rural India with STEM skills, promoting gender equality and inclusive education. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the EduBulletin. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.